you'll notice a few things here. You'll notice two different side columns. On this left-hand side, I can see basic information. We have all of the normal stuff. You can change phone numbers, whatever you need to do. Now, I can also put in social media. I can put in their birthday. I can put in anniversaries, home anniversaries, what their spouse's information is, etc. Buyer information, average price, minimum price, and then beds, time frame, favorite cities, loan types. All of this stuff can be extremely documented, so you never have to think about it or ask it again. You ask it on a buyer or seller consultation, and that is it. Same information for a seller, and you can also flag this by saying if their listing's expiring soon or whatever you need to do. On the right hand side, you have basic information, which is like their status, whether you want them to be cold, inactive, closed, whatnot. Lead type, if they're a buyer or seller lead, I'm going to say I'm a buyer. Actually, I'm going to sell and buy. I'm a buyer and a seller. Group name, if this is something that you guys need to use to assign to more people. Objection, if they just wanted a price on their home, if they don't know where to move, whatever their kind of holdup is. And then I can also see that I came in through Lander 13, which is one of the landing pages that we have in our landing page library from an earlier video. Now, I can also assign this lead to other agents on my team, and then I can also track the ads. And this is huge because I will know exactly where every single lead came from based on these tracking from the ads. And this is huge because a lot of the times people will generate leads and they'll know maybe it came from campaign 1, but they don't know exactly which ad it came from. And this gives that transparency and that tracking. So agents can attribute direct ROI to any lead generation activities. Now, if I scroll down here, you'll see that I have all of my notes kind of logged in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to add an additional note. So I'm going to say call went well, looking to list next month. And then I'm going to log this as a call. If I need to notify anybody that I'm doing this, I can. I'm also going to mark this as important. And then I can either add the note or I can add the note and create a reminder. So when I add the note and create a reminder, now I can say, okay, my next thing I need to do with this person is I need to, let's just say, have a Zoom call with them. I can assign it to somebody. If I leave it as none, it will be assigned to me. I'm going to do the title as tell them the next steps in the selling process. Okay. And then I have a due date here. So they said they wanted to do it next month. So let's just put that for June 1st. And then start time, I'm going to do this at 10:15 in the morning. Label, if it is important or urgent, I'll just say this is going to be extremely important because we're going to get their home on the market and that gets me commissions. Now I can also set up a text message. So if I'm having the Zoom scheduled on 6/1, maybe on the last day of May, I want a follow-up text message to say, hey, are you still interested in listing? Or hey, don't forget about our appointment tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. So that way, when you save and create, that text message is automatically going to go out when you choose. Now you'll see here, since I hit log call, this is a call icon here. Call went well, looking to list next month. This is logged as important, so it will always stay at the top. If I come down here, you'll see that I now have a task to have this done, and this Zoom call is now going to be scheduled into my calendar. I can also edit it, mark it as complete from here. I can also see if I am on any drip campaigns. So you can see that I am on one drip campaign, but there are currently no drip campaign emails scheduled. So what that means is I have gone through this drip campaign and completed it. So there's no additional emails that are going to be going out to me in a future date. And if there was, then I would be able to see those emails here for when emails are going to be going out to me in the future. Now, lastly here, we have my SMS chat history. And the SMS chat history is going to be logged in here.